Gold Cup winner Legacy Isle is the 6-5 anti-post favourite to capture the Christopher Armand Memorial Sprint Trophy, going over 5.5 furlongs for a purse of $2 million on Saturday at Caymanas Park. More in this report.
Two-time multi-mile runner-up Legacy Isle is hunting his 6th win in 10 starts locally. Despite shouldering top weight of 126 pounds, the imported 5-year-old bay horse has shown superior speed, and 3 of his last 4 wins came between the 5 straight and 6 furlongs. Conditioned by Ron Crichton and to be ridden by champion jockey Radish Roman, Legacy Isle is expected to fight to the finish. He'll have the likes of Desert of Malibu for company. The imported 6-year-old chestnut mare finished 3rd in the Bruce on the Loose Sprint, going 6.5 furlongs on December 2, and the shorter trip could be to her liking. Trained by Gear Sobrati with Dane Dawkins in the saddle, Desert of Malibu should be on the premises when the race is being decided. The rest of the small 5-horse field to face the starter at 4:30 p.m. reads Pack Plays, Dothraki, and California Crown. Meanwhile, Sir Don is the 1-9 overnight favorite for the Die Job Sprint, a restricted stakes contest for native bred and imported 2-year-olds, going 6 furlongs for a purse of $2 million. 7 horses are set to run at 1:30 p.m. Also on offer is the Vestia Trophy, a restricted stakes event for native bred and imported 3-year-olds and up, going over 7.5 furlongs. The race is set for 5:10 p.m. with 12 horses in the field. 11:35 a.m. is the first post for the final race meet for 2025, with 10 races on the card. Garfield Jones reporting for TVJ Sports.